Hey there, tea lovers. Today, we're brewing up some vibrant vibes with hibiscus tea. This ruby red elixir isn't just pretty, it's packed with history, flavor, and benefits that'll make you say, "Why didn't I drink this sooner?" Let's dive in. First stop, history. Did you know hibiscus tea has roots and petals in ancient Egypt? Pharaohs sipped this floral infusion to cool down under the blazing sun. Fast forward to today, and it's a global sensation from Jamaica to Thailand, known as sorrel, carcade, or roselle. Basically, hibiscus tea is the Bianca of beverages, world famous, versatile, and loved by all. Now, let's whip up some magic. Here's what you need. Dried hibiscus petals Watera, little sweetness. Boil 4 cups of water, toss in about 2 tablespoons of those dried petals, and let them steep for 5-10 minutes. Strain it, sweeten it, and voila! It's as easy as 1, 2 tea. Hot or cold, hibiscus tea always brings the zing. Pro tip: add a slice of lime for extra pizzazz. Why should you drink hibiscus tea? Oh, let me count the ways. 1. It's a heart helper known to lower blood pressure. 2. Full of antioxidants, it's basically a superhero for your cells. 3. Supports weight loss. Goodbye snack cravings. 4. Keeps your skin glowing, because who doesn't want that radiant look? Seriously, hibiscus tea is like a spa day in a cup. So, when's the best time to sip this floral delight? Morning, noon, or night? Anytime, really. But if you're looking to calm your nerves and relax, evenings are perfect. And if you're aiming to stay refreshed, a chilled glass in the afternoon is chef's kiss. But wait, there's more. Hibiscus tea isn't just for drinking. You can use it as a natural dye for cakes or frostings. Hello, Instagram-worthy desserts. Freeze it into popsicles. Summer just got cooler. Even use it as a hair rinse for shiny, bouncy locks. Who knew tea could multitask better than me? Alright, tea fam, there you have it, the history, benefits, and all the fun you can have with hibiscus tea. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. So go on, brew yourself some hibiscus happiness and let me know how you like it in the comments. Until next time, keep sipping and smiling.